Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today we're going to take a look at why Quant has been rallying. And you guys, I have loaded up on Quant in my portfolio. Actually, it's the crypto that I am most bullish on for the next bull run. The thing is, Quant provides the technology to help improve interoperability for enterprises everywhere. Now, before we jump into this video, guys, I want to introduce the sponsor, Bitforex. This is one of my favorite cryptocurrency exchanges to use. They have an array of different cryptocurrencies. They're always launching new tokens that absolutely rally in price. And on top of that, Bitforex has a perpetual trading competition that is closing tomorrow. As you can see, this is the season 2, round 2 of the top 20 masters perpetual contract trading competition. And it closes tomorrow at 6 p.m. GMT plus 8 hours. And here you can participate by trading on the Bitforex perpetual contract platform or by having a long or short position. The winner will be ranked the Bitforex Grandmaster, then there will be a second place and a third place. And let me just show you the total profitability and the daily profitability. And this is what you can earn in BTC rewards equivalent. So in first place, you can get $5,000 equivalent BTC rewards. Second to fifth place is $500 and sixth to 20th place is $100. For daily BTC rewards, first place is $2,000. Second to fifth is $250. Sixth to 20th is $50. So check out their event rules and participate before this closes. Imagine if you just win a spare $5,000 equivalent. I have linked Bitforex's perpetual trading competition down below in the description box, so check that link out. And also check out my affiliate link. If you use my link, I would receive compensation and it would really help out my channel. Now, without further ado, let's go into exactly what Quant is and why I am super bullish in it in the long run. So what you need to know is that Quant Network has the Overledger operating system and the QNT token. Their proprietary Overledger blockchain operating system ensures interoperability between multiple blockchains. It also enables linking between global networks and different blockchains with flexibility, which has been a major issue in the crypto industry. So Quant is addressing one of the major issues we've had with interoperability, but they're bringing this solution to enterprises globally. Just take a look at who they serve: financial institutions, enterprises, partners, and developers. So the idea came about by the CEO Gilbert Verdian, and he was working in the healthcare sector. He actually saw that there were patients registered on diverse networks with multiple different types of data sets. And the interoperability and managing all this data on different networks was sort of lackluster. And this problem has been prevalent in the blockchain industry. We have so many different blockchains out there. We have the Ethereum blockchain, we have Binance Smart Chain. But the problem is sometimes interoperability, so communicating with different networks, can be difficult. And even though we know that blockchain and distributed ledger technology has lots of use cases, they do tend to lack seamless interoperability. So Quant is aiming to bridge this gap and fill in those missing links. And recently they introduced the Overledger 2.05. So the Overledger is supposed to provide any network used for whatever purpose it's used for with a gateway to all other blockchains essentially. But it's not like some random portal with an interface that does this. Their Overledger is tailored and it can help provide the bridge between stablecoins, DeFi, NFTs, and as they mentioned, popular ERC20 and ERC721 digital assets for clearing and settlement, which is why one of their major use cases is to support blockchain payments to provide interoperability. And this is particularly relevant in the financial sector. They're continually developing, and as of now, the natively supported tokens, NFTs, and digital assets in the Overledger 2.05 include the following. So some major coins: Quant, Binance Coin, Tether, Chainlink, Uniswap. So a lot of the major cryptocurrencies are on this list, and I'm sure that they will be continually expanding. Now, I mentioned that they actually do tailor-made solutions for all sorts of industries. So take supply chain and trade finance. Here, they're going to make supply chain logistics more efficient so you can track exactly what's happening in the entire supply chain using blockchain technology, but of course, interoperable blockchain technology. And when you look out there in the industry, when you have specific tailor-made blockchain solutions, these tend to be very expensive. Quant wants to reduce these costs and make it more efficient. So with Quant, businesses are not limited to access a single blockchain only. So their application can be implemented on a diverse sort of range of features from all blockchains the platform enables them to have access to. And the great thing is that Overledger and their concept is not greedy. They're not technologically agnostic. What I mean by this is that users that want to use Overledger are not required to stick with just a single tech provider when trying to find the links to other blockchains and networks. So basically the team wants the users to make use of the Overledger and speed up the adoption of both new dApps as well as their existing features. Now, I know all of this sounds complicated, but all you guys really need to know is that Quant is going out there to make interoperability easier for major institutions, which is why it's a revolutionary project in the crypto industry. If you go onto CoinMarketCap, take a look at the 7-day chart. If we flip it, the highest rally was for Quant and its QNT token, up 27.37%, when, if you go to look, the majority of the market was in a downward trajectory after the Tuesday gains, which was obviously last week. So going back to Quant, the current price is just under $131. And if you take a look at the all chart, we have seen a huge rally, especially given the current bear market and how the majority of the tokens have actually been down. So Quant is actually not going by what the market is doing. It seems like it has its own community and it's growing rapidly, and they are on a mission to basically help make the entire blockchain industry more seamless, more integrated, and give better use cases. Because although blockchain technology is great and you can see everything on the public blockchain, it's a great ledger, but interoperability has made it very segregated. So you have people in one blockchain sector, some who prefer another blockchain, rather than all these blockchains coming together and communicating effectively so that more data is transferred across these different networks. Now, if the all-time high for Quant in this bull run was around $428, I truly believe that in the next bull run, when macroeconomic conditions resolve, inflation is more under control, and we see better momentum in the stock markets and the crypto markets, I truly think Quant can at least 3 to 4x in the next bull run. It might become one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies even. But again, we don't know for sure. This is just my rough prediction, but definitely I believe at least a 2 to 3x in the next bull run. But of course, this will depend on Bitcoin's price. You guys know that if Bitcoin rallies even a little bit, the rest of the altcoins follow suit for the majority of the times in exaggerated manners. But sometimes there's loads of altcoins that are not following the normal market dynamic. So we've seen Polygon Matic rally so many times, even though some of the other altcoins have crashed, especially even Bitcoin crashing. We've still seen some altcoins like Polygon, like Chainlink recently with their new partnership with Swift, rally. So I think Quant is one of those that will challenge the typical market dynamics where Bitcoin leads and rally. But I also think it will rally when Bitcoin rallies as well. Anyway, guys, are you guys holding the QNT token in your portfolio? I recently bought quite a bit of it because I think right now we're in a price dip, even though actually I did buy it before the 27% rally that we saw recently. I bought around this point here because I know my upside potential in the next bull run will be a lot more. So it is going in my HODL portfolio. I'm not making any short-term trades on Quant. I'm actually just buying and loading up tokens at better prices. I'm waiting right now for another dip because there will be one coming despite it having rallied so much. I am waiting for the next dip before I buy some more. So what do you guys think? Leave in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video, as a lot of the information is time sensitive. And also, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I am not a financial advisor. And also, guys, I do work with Bitforex. They have sponsored this video. All the details are down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.